Welcome to mathematics class. In this class, we are going to study about conic sections. In the first exercise, we have seen circle, that is also one of the conic. Here, we are going to study other conics. First, we'll see what is the definition of a conic section. A conic is a locus of a point which moves such that a distance from fixed point and fixed line bears a constant ratio. So what's the meaning of that? This is called the fixed line L, and P is the moving point and S is a fixed point. So according to the definition, the distance between S and P and distance between P and M is any point on the straight line and PM is the length of the perpendicular from P to the line L. That is SP by PM is equal to some constant that is taken as E, and E is called eccentricity. If E equal to 1, the conic is a parabola. If E less than 1, the conic is an ellipse. If E greater than 1, the conic is a hyperbola. The equation of conic. Let P x1 y1 be a moving point, S x comma y is a fixed point, and ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a fixed straight line. If you see the diagram, this is a straight line and this is a fixed point, this is the fixed point and this is the moving point. So according to the definition, SP by PM is equal to E. So SP equal to E into PM. So SP square equal to what? E square into PM square. So x minus, what is SP? Distance between S and P. So square is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to E square. What is PM? PM is the length of the perpendicular from the line from the point P x1 y1 to the straight line. So this is nothing but plus or minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of the coefficient of x is what? A, that is a square, plus coefficient of y is b square whole square. This can be simplified. After simplification, the equation of the conic is of the form ax square plus bxy plus cy square plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. And note we have given, if the value, you know the values of what are ABC? A is the coefficient of x square and B is the coefficient of xy, C is the coefficient of y square. So we have given some note here. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, the conic is a parabola. If b second point, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, the conic is an ellipse. Third point, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, the conic is a hyperbola. Fourth one, if a equal to c and coefficient of xy equal to 0, then the conic is a circle. So using these formulas, we can identify the conic. Then one note here, the bracket we have given one point. We are giving special name for the fixed point. The fixed point S is called focus. The fixed straight line L is called directrix.